All right, this is a quick video going over the homework that was assigned in class today for second term, first year. So just a review, quick writing of all the different same chord connections and chords of fourth, fifth part formulas. And so by this time, you should be familiar with them and you should be good at setting up your chords and things like that and then running them along. So I'm just going to go through this at speed. And just check your answers, or if you found that there was a place that you had a problem, you could see the explanation, but I'm going to go kind of fast. I'm in the key of B flat, I'm on a 1 chord, it's going up like this. I think because it's going up high, I'm going to go with contrary motion voice exchange to keep my ranges sort of okay for my different voices right here. B flat right there, sorry. Like that. Okay, so 2 voices exchange, soprano, tenor, the other one stays the same. Here, going from here 1 to 5, it's chord of fourth or fifth apart. This is a big leap here. It can only be tertian leap or non-formula because common tone doesn't have a leap that big, and neither does non-common tone method. So it has to be third to third, and D is the third of the B flat chord, A is the third of the F chord, so probably going to be okay, right? I'm going to go up. You could go down if you wanted to. Third to third, root to root, right? And then common tone holds over, right? This is the F chord, so that's my common tone. And then my last note here on the B flat moves by step to complete the chord. So we have a good doubling, and so I'm going to need to go up to the C. I could have gone down to the A, but then I don't have my complete chord like I want there. So that's why we go up as opposed to down. Heading over to the 1 chord, it's going T, Do. It's going to be common tone. So root to root is 1 chord, right? Common tone holds over. The other ones move in the same direction by step. And since the soprano is already going up, this is going to go up. We check our work. B flat, D, F. Okay. This is coming down here. And I think we'll just move with soprano this time. Again, if you chose differently in your homework, that doesn't mean you're wrong, but then you have to, you have to make sure that your method that you used is correct. There's always going to be some variance here. But if this is coming down, then this will come down to the D, and this will come down to the B flat. And this stays the same because we're on the same chord. Okay, now we're heading over to the 4 chord, which is an E flat chord right there, like that. I'm going to look at common tone because it just has a step here. The common tone between B flat and E flat is the B flat. If I hold that over, that goes to there. If this steps up, I get an E flat, so it works just fine. Right, that one goes up to there. And I know I'm rushing through this. This isn't supposed to be a big video. We've done this for 2 weeks now, and you should be good at this. If you're not, then, review, practice, right? Also, it might be that you're just not comfortable spelling chords and keys yet. It's a skill that can slip through, but it's absolutely necessary. All right, going from here to here. Because the chord is reversed out from 1 to 4 and 4 to 1, and because the melody has done the exact same thing in reverse as well, the same method is what you're going to use. So this is going to go just common tone again, and these are going to step down like that. And the common tone is going to hold over, right? And if I turn sideways, maybe I can play this, right? And then it's going to just go up, and then to here. Wait, what am I doing? Right, there we go. Sorry. And then here, and then sounds like we're at church on Sunday. All right, we're going to do E minor right here. Lots of changes as we go along here. We're just going to go fast as well. The number one mistake that's going to happen here is that I have written something wrong. I've already found a mistake of my own. This has to be there because I've got to spell the chord correctly, right? Or maybe not. Hold on. Sorry, I'm thinking the wrong key. Here we go. But spelling the chord wrong will be the issue because we're in minor. So the 5 chord is B, D sharp, F, and we're going to want another B, right? And you just got to remember to do that. Put the sharp on because it's not in the key signature. So it looks like it's going to be common tone. Common tone's already there. So go root to root, right? Common holds over. These ones move either up or down to step. If it moves up, that goes to the F sharp, that goes to the A. That's not the chord and tone we want, so they're going to have to come down to the D sharp. Got to write that in, otherwise it's not going to be spelled right. And F sharp, B, B, D sharp, F sharp. Okay? Coming from here down to here, now I have a sneaking suspicion that this is going to be not common tone, because common tone is common tone holds over, these ones move by step, but see there's a skip right there. So we can recognize that this is not common tone. It's either going to be not common tone method, which is everything moves in the same direction as the soprano to the next chord tone, or it's going to be a non-formula. And presuming that I've done this right, this is an old worksheet. I didn't actually double check it. Maybe I should have, but we're going to have an issue here, right? So that's going to go up to my E, and these are all going to come down. So the D sharp is going to come down to the B, and this F sharp is going to end up unison there, and I'm going to have E, E, G, B, right? Okay, going on to my 5 chord. They usually stack up so that not common tone and common tone will alternate for some of the scale steps and things like this. So this is going down, so I'm going to go down to my B right there, and the common tone is the B that holds over, and these ones step down like this, and I got to remember to put in my sharp, otherwise it's not spelled correctly, right? And then it's coming down here like this. I'm afraid that I'm going to have to use maybe non-chord tone or something, a non-common tone. These are all going to be moving down, and this is going to be, if I go up, I'll get a cross voice. So this is the time where I bring myself down to a low E right there. Okay, that's not very good. It's a ledger line right there. Okay, and then everything's going to come down opposite the bass, or with the soprano. So this is going to come all the way down to the G, right? This is going to come down to what, the B right there. Yep, E, G, E, B. And we're getting to the edges of our range. Altos don't like to go much lower than that. Tenors don't like to go any lower than this. Usually C is the limit, although B is probably fine too. We'll see what happens here. This is going to go to B like this. And this is the common tone, so this is going to hold over as the common tone, and we are getting down into danger territory. If this was some kind of video game, they'd be like, it'd be glowing red and saying, oh no, you can't do this. But fortunately, it's coming 1-5-1, and it's going backwards exactly the same way. So this is going to pop up like this. That's going to pop back down again like this, and that's going to stay common tone like that, like that. All right, this is common tone. This is a B right there, not an A, it's a B, right? So this is a 4 chord, it's an A chord. I'm not going down below the E, I'm coming up there. Common tone is this. This is going to step up and become the A, and this is going to step up and become the C, right? Common tone holds over, these ones move, so A, C, E. And then because this is 1-4 and 4-1, and it was common tone and the melody is the same, use the same method. So it's going back to 1 like this, and back to there, and back to there, like that. Very low, but it works, okay? All right, that's it.